The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 50. I hope that you are enjoying the videos of our recent journey to Lincoln and back on the Swamp Duck. The first two, which include our journey on the tidal Trent, have been well received, and I had some very positive feedback in the form of comments, so thank you very much for those. As mentioned in the previous update, one of the problems of editing is that we had so much wonderful footage that it was such a shame to have to leave some of it on the cutting room floor. In particular, we took lots of still photographs, which I like to do because I think the camera can capture wildlife and buildings in particular a lot better than video. And it's often the unexpected images that are captured and the surprises you get when you upload the footage and see what's been produced. In particular, this picture of Torksey Power Station, which I took as we were going up the lock approach. I certainly didn't expect it to turn out anything like it has done. It's kind of got perfect symmetry, and the reflection of the power station on the water is really wonderful, and I think the cloud formation, it just gave a perfect shadow on the side of the cooling towers. So what would normally not be people's preferred choice of subject really turned out to be a really fantastic photograph. In this update, I thought I would take the opportunity to put together a small montage of some of the still shots, particularly those that didn't make it into the videos. In particular, I like some of the backward looking shots that were taken from the back of the boat as we were travelling along. Of course, there was a lot of video that didn't make it into the final vlogs either, just because of time constraints really. The highlight for me of this journey was taking our little boat onto this vast body of water. Another highlight for me was approaching Lincoln Cathedral, and I think the video and the gimbal captured this moment perfectly. And you can see the rest of that video in 2 weeks' time. My next video in this series takes us from Torksey Lock to Lincoln in very different circumstances, so I hope that the music that I chose for this really lifts the spirit of the video. That video will have its first premiere on Saturday the 21st of October 2023 at 8 AM. I'd like to thank all those who do join me for these premieres at 8 AM on Saturday mornings. I can see from the viewing figures that it's an ever expanding group of people. So thank you very much for joining in and giving these videos a really good start. So why not join us all at 8 AM on Saturday the 21st of October 2023 for that premiere. And the beauty is that as the video is showing, you can join in live comments. Thank you very much for your continued support, and do take care.